How to better understand and connect with others. Have you ever felt like you just can't seem to connect with someone, no matter how hard you try? Maybe you feel like you are speaking a different language, or that they just don't get you. Well, today we're going to talk about how to better understand and connect with others, so you can build stronger relationships and communicate more effectively. First, let's talk about the importance of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's like putting yourself in someone else's shoes. Think about it like this: if you were in their situation, how would you feel? What would you want someone to say or do for you? By practicing empathy, you can better understand where someone is coming from and respond in a way that shows you care. Next, let's talk about communication. Communication is key to any relationship, but it's not just about talking. It's also about listening. When you're having a conversation with someone, make sure you're really listening to what they're saying. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Ask questions, clarify what they mean, and show that you're interested in what they have to say. This will help you build trust and understanding. Another important aspect of understanding and connecting with others is recognizing and respecting differences. We all come from different backgrounds, have different experiences, and see the world in different ways. That's what makes us unique. But it can also make it challenging to connect with others who are different from us. Instead of trying to change someone or convince them to see things your way, try to appreciate their perspective and learn from them. You might be surprised at what you can learn. Now, let's talk about body language. Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? That means that the way you hold yourself, your facial expressions, and your gestures can all convey a message to others. By paying attention to your own body language and being aware of others, you can better understand what someone is trying to say, even if they're not using words. Finally, let's talk about conflict resolution. No matter how well you understand and connect with someone, there will always be disagreements and conflicts. The key is to approach these situations with an open mind and a willingness to find a solution that works for everyone involved. Instead of getting defensive or attacking the other person, try to understand their perspective and find common ground. This might mean compromising, apologizing, or simply agreeing to disagree. The important thing is to approach conflict with respect and a desire to find a solution that works for everyone. So, there you have it. By practicing empathy, communication, respect for differences, body language awareness, and conflict resolution, you can better understand and connect with others. Remember, building strong relationships takes time and effort, but it's worth it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to improve your life. Thanks for watching.